that in the sink. Big giant balls. Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. So today I'm gonna be making a little midnight snack, except it's 10 p.m. But that's close to midnight. I shouldn't be eating this late, so I'm considering it a midnight snack. Does that correlate? Wait, I forgot to turn on my light. You guys need premium light. Hold on. Oh! So I get hungry at night. I never follow the don't eat before bed rule. Also, I'm kind of already in my PJs, kind of. Hello Kitty pants and this shirt. I don't know if I'm gonna sleep in them, but maybe. So I'm thinking pasta. I'm thinking some nighttime pasta. I don't know. I've been obsessing over cheese. Hold on, I actually need to put the stove on the pot. Wait, the stove on the pot. The pot on the stove. We're using this old beauty today. Perfect. Now, oh, do I have the noodles I want? I hope so. Let's find out. And I do have the noodles, non-sponsored. So we got this. It's protein plus, so healthy. Cause listen, I've been trying to eat healthier, guys, and I've been cooking a lot more. I might make some more cooking videos. We will see. I made some really good penne the other day. I made some good street tacos with the help of my friend. But I've been cooking. I've been whipping it up in the kitchen. You'll see. This pasta, I recommend, if you want some of this pasta, you should follow along and make it because it's pretty good. But the secret ingredient, I have a secret ingredient. Nail fell off, we'll deal with that later, but I have to show you. This, also non-sponsored. Nothing in this video is sponsored, I'm just cooking, okay? This cheese, I love this cheese. Very, very yum. I make it in lots of things, including this pasta I'm about to make. We have marinara, right? We better. So yeah, I just gotta let this bad boy heat up, but ow, I ran into the counter. I gotta put this nail back on. I've got some nail glue. I ran down the stairs. I ran up and down the stairs because I wanted to grab my chapstick. So I'm a little out of breath. But I want to make my own cookbook. I think it'll be fun. Let me give you some life updates, okay? Some life updates while I'm making this pasta. It's currently winter. It's cold outside. I've been snowed in for a few days. I mean, not right now, but I have been snowed in previously, like the first few days of January. I've been snowed in. I do not like the snow. I do not like winter. I am very much a summer girly. I will let you know that right now. Love summer, don't like winter. I love Christmas. Christmas, I think, is my favorite holiday. But I hate winter. And I know I shouldn't. Love everything. Winter helps you appreciate summer. But I'm not there yet. Getting there, but I'm not there yet. Okay, so, update. I've been a little upset in this winter, right? I don't do great in winter, but I decided to do some helpful things, such as deleting TikTok, which it might get banned anyways. I think it's gonna get banned. I don't know. We'll find out. Maybe when this video is uploaded, it's banned. My cat is on the counter. Hold on. You have to see him. The Clyder. I don't think this is a good way to hold cats. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, he's okay. Yeah. He likes cheese, I think. I want to eat this string cheese. I hope it's good. I lose my train of thought quite often, if you can't tell. He's back on the table. Yeah, deleted TikTok. Very much good. Very much good for in here. And I also deleted Instagram. Also very much good for in here. I still have like all the other social medias like Snapchat, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I don't really have much of a problem with those. I mean, kind of I do Snapchat, but it's how I talk to my friends. So like, what am I supposed to do? Not talk to my friends? No, I'm gonna talk to my friends. I cannot get this string cheese open. But what I do is on Instagram, like I have rules for myself. I'm not like, you can never be on Instagram again. It's kind of how I'm with TikTok as of the moment right now. But I can go on Instagram if it's on my computer, so less of an easy access. And if I really feel the need to post something, I can re-download it on my phone and post. So that's what I've done this winter to help me. This is an interesting string cheese. It's boiling, guys. Where's my salt? Everyone calm down. So I'm spritzing some salt in here. Okay, simmer. Okay, I think that's about half the box, which is what I was attempting to do. And then I set a timer for 10 minutes. And then I get a spoon, stir it around a little. I don't stir it around too much. But if you place the spoon here, when it tries to bubble up, the wooden spoon will like simmer it down. Where was I going? I don't know, TikTok, Instagram, delete them. Has been pretty great. I'd recommend if it upsets you to have. You wanna know something gross? I don't know if I should share this because I'm eating a cheesesteak and that might ruin my appetite. Well, I'm thinking about it, so I might as well share it. See that in the sink? This is a pitcher. It used to be filled with lemonade, pink lemonade, in fact. I open up my fridge. I ask my mother, hey, is this pink lemonade expired? She said, I don't know. I don't know if pink lemonade does expire, like how long that takes. So I open up the fridge, I take out the lemonade, put the pitcher down. What do I see? What do I see? A bunch of sugar like layered at the bottom, like it's separated. So we have the pink lemonade and the sugar down there. I dropped my string cheese. I'm still gonna eat it, sorry. Sugar at the bottom, right? And balls, big giant balls of mold. Big giant moldy balls of sugar in that right there. It's soapy and watery and clean now, but that was a horrible sight to see. Don't recommend. 2 out of 10. Why didn't I say 0 out of 10? I don't know. I guess because it's not the worst thing in the world. The spices, Italian seasoning, garlic salt, not onion powder, garlic powder, oregano leaves, I think. I need to eat this cheese stick quick. It's hard when I'm talking. Cheese stick 8. I'm gathering materials. Remember how I said this cheese was one of the most important aspects? I still concur on that. Yeah, I wouldn't change my mind in the past 2 seconds. So, obviously, shred the cheese. Isn't that no, that's cut the cheese. I was like, isn't that a saying for like when you fart? It's not shred the cheese, it's cut the cheese. So I have 4 minutes left before the pasta's done. So I need to hurry because it's kind of a timely thing. I'm such a great cook. Seriously, I'm in love with this cheese. If I could marry this cheese, I would. Y'all don't even know. Me and this cheese, we're like this. I keep like hitting my nail on this thing. Another update, obviously, I've got some fake nails. The middle fingers say queer. I mean, this one also does too, but yeah, they say queer. I've been wanting long nails. I really like having long nails. However, it is expensive and I'm just not all about that. So I figured a solution was to buy some press-on nails. And so that's what I did. It is a little bit of a pain in the bootay because you have to, like, they fall off very easily. But what I do is I have this little thing. This, I don't know what it is. It's this is what it is. And I put my nail glue in it and I carry my Playboy bag everywhere. I don't know if you guys have seen that. I think you guys have seen that on my channel. My Playboy bag, if I recall. But I don't know, my Playboy bag, I should do a what's in my bag video. My Playboy bag has that in there and that's where I keep my nail glue. So that whenever it pops off, if I can't put the nail on right then, I can just put the nail in here. Or if I do have time to be able to glue the nail back on, I just will get the nail glue out and put the nail glue back on. The only thing is I have lost a nail. I was bowling and my thumbnail came off in the ball and it did not come back out. I went bowling the other day and it was so interesting because I'm weird when I bowl, I guess. I don't have much skill. I haven't bowled a lot. However, when I bowled, I got like a lot of spares or completely gutter balls or complete strikes. I will show you some pictures of the scoreboards that I got. I named myself Pikio because no one was picking fun names and I wanted to do something pink, but then I didn't really know, so I just said Pikio. Does it mean anything? No, it's just like pink, silly name. Okay, it's about to be done. Help, okay. I need to rush. My light. Where is my marinara? I don't know, roasted herb and garlic Italian sauce. Looks marinara enough to me. Okay, so basically the timer, I left the fridge open. Why? How? I didn't mean to. Okay, so we're gonna put this heat down to 3. That's not 3. 2.6 works. Okay, so I'm gonna strain it out. Yes, strain, slay. I need butter. So you get some butter about, I can't peel it. Get off. You get about this much butter and you put it in there. And then you get the teensiest, I always add too much oil. Add a little bit. The teensiest little amount. Yeah, just a little bit. And then you stir that in. I'm gonna put it back on the hot stove so it's quicker. Oh, it's making noises that aren't good. Okay, simmer down. So get your sauce. Put as much as you please in there. Is that a good amount? We'll find out once I stir it. Here's what I'm doing. Stirring it, yep. And then I'm gonna add a teensy bit more sauce. Teensy, oh, that's, okay, yep. And then what you're gonna wanna do is I have oregano leaves and you're just gonna splash some in there. And then the Italian herb seasoning, splash some of that in there. I might have to put too much. It's okay. And then put a little garlic powder. And then some garlic salt. Just a little. Yeah. And then you stir that all together. I do like my spices a little more prominent because I like being able to taste it. And then you get your cheese. You're gonna put quite a bit of cheese in there. I love this. This is really what ties it all together. Is this cheese. I literally am in love with this cheese. It'll melt kind of, and it'll be great. You hear that? I think you know. I am ecstatic for this pasta. A noodle's on the floor. I don't know how this got there, but I don't like it. JK not eating it. Where did I throw that? Okay, it's fine, it's in the sink. The problem about mixing this cheese in is cheese gets on the spoon. I need the, what a dangly little piece. I need the cheese off the spoon. Time to do a little taste test. I think we need more spices. I'm gonna put a little more garlic salt. Bonnie is staring me down. More garlic salt. And I think more Italian herb. Let's see if that does the tricky. Like I said, I like to be able to taste a lot of my spices. Cause then like, what's the point of putting them in there if you can't taste them? That's my logic. I think a teensy bit more. I think a little more garlic powder. And maybe a titch more oregano. You gonna go? You gonna come? What? Out of the bottle? Beautiful. I'd say this is good. I'm gonna have to clean all this up. Now time to dish out the pasta. Oh, this is gonna be grand. That might have been too much. No, it's okay. I have to bend down for this, but, and then the final touches, you garnish it with a lot of cheese. This is very good. I'm very happy with this. If you guys followed along with me and made some of this, let me know how it tastes down in the comments down below. Or if you just cooked along with me, or if you just want to leave a comment, I'll read it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys.